A big hello and welcome to all my subscribers, planner mums, glam mums, and all of you. Hope you all are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today's video, as you can see, it's going to be about the July subscription box. I know it's a little late to showcase this, but I have just received it last week and I thought why not to show it to you. I'm also waiting for the August. So Simply Gilded is a very lovely stationery company. It makes washes, stickers and so on, and this subscription box is a very good way to try their products. I've already shown, if you want to see, I've had a big haul with washes, and upcoming also I'm having future hauls with the same. So if you're interested, please subscribe and press the bell notification, so in future whenever I post videos you will be informed. Mostly I post it every Thursday or Friday. And this is the Lullaby Moon. It was the July subscription box. This is Simply Gilded. I think it's $30 for the box, and with the added on washi it's like $36. And for me, luckily I had no customs in the Middle East, so it was a very good deal. And when I've opened it already because I had showed it in the Instagram, but then I've repacked it and this is how it looks like. This theme is called Lullaby Moon, and Irene is the owner for it, a very nice lady. It means I followed her in Instagram, and like she's very open to suggestions and always very good feedback whenever like she does a lot of live and so on. So this is the Lullaby Moon. You can see this is a lovely blue, a bluish and pinkish, both are my favorite colors. And then at the back it says Simply Gilded, and there is some music. So this is a more of a very subtle, and as the time we are in, this box depicts like peace and very lullaby moon. So it's a beautiful theme, and once we open it, it opens up like this. This is how the box opens, and this is how, again, lovely foiling work. I put the box here, and then we have this bag from them and also these washies. So let's begin with the bag. I leave the washies for the end. There's always a mystery item also. This is the bag that came with it. Look how lovely this bag is, and for me, my first subscription box is an owl. I'm very happy because in Indian mythology, owl is one of the goddess Lakshmi's vehicle of traveling, and she brings a lot of prosperity and money and wealth in people's lives. So I hope this owl does the same for many of us, and this is how it looks like. For me, I'm definitely going to keep the subscription for this, but many other hauls would be I'm almost done with enough stickers as well, and mostly Black Friday will be the Planacade, and I'm waiting for Once More with Love. Those are the only couple of hauls, and of course my pre-sale for my July from Simply Gilded and another set of Simply Gilded washes, and then I will be only having these subscription boxes. Mostly all are paid off. Now I just want to start saving a little bit of what I'm earning as well, so I can use it for much, but Black Friday definitely will be the one. So let's begin. So you get a lovely pouch like this. She has like a menu card she gives of all the things that are in the bag. Everything that's inside this will be showcases here. So this Lullaby Moon has the foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit, seals, vegan leather pochette, B6 stitched binding notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, velvet crystal bow charm, and vellum acetate sheets, confetti tape set, and mystery item. So these are all the items that are available. So this is the design. This is the vegan leather pochette. Look at how beautiful it is. If you will have seen other people's boxing, you can see how lovely, they have, some people have used it as a sticker, some people keep their iPad. For me, you can just carry it and go and go to do marketing or something whenever you'll be able to go. But as such, this cover, see how beautiful these owl are. Baby owl and the mama owl, and the daddy owl is there on the tree as well. So pretty. I'm very happy with this. Just imagine, this normally will be costing around $20 itself, so you already got a very good deal. And this is something where you can add, she gives some charms and so on as well. The next thing I'm going to show you is the mystery item. This was the mystery item. It's called the Jelly Roll, a Japanese pen, and let's try it. So this is how the mystery item writes. It's like a, it looks bluish, but it is definitely a shade of gray, but writes very well. Yeah, shimmering, it has some shimmer in it. So jelly roll, so this is the color, jelly roll pen. This is the mystery item. Then is this design, the pen. These pens are very famous of hers. Mostly I've read very good reviews of it. It's not like, you know, a cheap looking pen. It's a good pen with the good design. Here you can see it has the ombre of the blue and the pink, and has the moon and the stars. I love the moon. My husband's name is Sudhanshu, which means moon. And these pens are refillable. All the pen comes with a tip like this, so you just have to remove it. And it's 0.5 mm. And let's see, wow, it writes very well. It's a gel pen, and I love the way it feels as well. So it's not only a good looking pen, but a very user friendly pen, and it's quite good. Yep, definitely a good pen. So this is the pen, how it looks like. This also comes, then followed by this is the so this is just like a notebook with some musical notes here, and a beautiful silver moon with the pink flowers, and it's all dot grid. All right, and I'm not sure how many pages, maybe around 750-60 pages. I'm not sure about, it's not mentioned that, but no matter what, it's a beautiful book. If you have traveler's notebook, you can just add it in that and use it. So it's another very useful thing that she has given. Another thing is this this is the acetate and vellum. So these are again for your notebooks. You can use it for decorating your notebook and so on. This is something if you're in the planner world, you know more of. If not, for you guys, this will be like what this is. It's a acetate, so it's like a cover for this notebook. You can keep it like a cover for this. Yeah, or you can make something out of it as well. For me, I already know what I can do. And this is the vellum as well, which has a beautiful, again, the silver notes. Just imagine, this is so value for money. I'm telling you honestly, these products are amazing. Even the August box which is coming, because she already shows before you want to, 2 months you need to subscribe, but after that you have a chance to, if you want to not be a part of that. But for me, definitely November is her anniversary month, which is a very special as well. So this is the vellum paper. This again, you can put it in your traveler's notebook inside or outside, and like something like this. Or what I plan to make is, I plan to make a shaker out of it. So I would be using, I will just show you when. She also has given this one. This is the confetti tape set. So this is what I am planning to do. This is the confetti in it. Right, it comes with a transparent tape. All right, though it's a transparent tape, see, small details, she can just give you a normal tape. She doesn't need to give you also that. But with this tape also, she has put these moon and stars. I love the way how generous she is in giving. Even her grab bag, which I have taken for the next haul, which I had applied, oh my god, worth it. If she has any grab bags and all, go in Simply Gilded and get it if you have not. But if you're watching, you're already a big fan of Simply Gilded, so you will like it. This is just a rainbow. So what I plan to do is, I'm going to keep this inside, put this tape, transparent tape inside, of course leave some of this inside, and keep it as a, then it will be like, you know, laminated, and then I will put it in my life planner. I have now, just recently I did the summer surprise box, right? So I have this what does it call, snap in, I have ordered, so I'll just stick it with it. So this will be like a bookmark for myself with some things like, you know, with some of this confetti inside. So that's my plan for it. This is how the confetti looks like. It has beautiful hearts and pink, see, beautiful, and it's a good amount of confetti. Babies, my daughter would really enjoy playing with it, but I can't leave it with her because she will definitely, like, you don't know with kids if they eat it, so it's not very kid friendly, but yeah, she will enjoy shaking it. So this is like a shaking dashboard I would be making out of it. So this was also something that we got. Again, this is the Scotch tape that comes. she also gives this beautiful charm, or what does she call it, engraved or vegan binding with acid. I'm not sure what is the, but it should be mentioned. It's like a charm. All right, yeah, this is like a charm. Yeah, it's a charm, so you can use it for decorating your planner. It has a note, and it also has a moon. You can see the moon and the note, and it has a clip, so you can clip it. You can clip it here, just like this, or you can clip it in your keychain, whatever you like, wherever you like. You can just keep it like that. All right, so that's something beautiful as well. This is the foiled journaling card, which last time also I showed you. I plan to collect them and put it in my album, and in future maybe write something nice. It's very good as well. You can laminate, do so many things out of, make it into a bookmark. They are very pretty as well. And then are these sticker sheets. This is something amazing, because it's not only the sticker icon stickers that mostly you guys have seen me doing, and some it's like whole sheets of stickers. All right, and it helps you at least for 2 weeks in a month. You can easily do with it. All right, so this is the heart icon dates. She has given 2 sticker sheets with the dates and icons. So these are all the numbers, like you can see 5, 6, all the numbers. They're all in heart shape. You know, when you remove it, it comes out very easily, heart shaped, and it has the icons as well. Like here you can see there's a book, exercise like weights, washing machine cleaning, and so on. And she also has given an icon sheet, so if you need some icons you can use that. She has given one like a sampler sheet, which has full box and half boxes and some small decor. You can see how small these decorations are, and so pretty. Very good quality stickers as well. These are the, I would definitely have a video doing one of my weeks with this and upload it in YouTube. You can definitely check that. Again, these are all half boxes. This is the stardust thing she does. Beautiful. These are the beautiful foiled moon, half crescent shaped moon. And you can see these are all like, you know, these are silver, gold and rose gold. I got both. So this is silver, this is gold, and this is again silver. It's rose gold. This one is rose gold. So these are the seals they have given. You can use it as stickers, and then you have 2 sheets of stickers again, and then that is with all your month, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And if you see each of the letter, she's an artist, so she makes everything herself, and all is her creation. You can see there is like a leaf or something on the letters. See, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Again, there are some big icons, again some checklists, some bows, full boxes, meetings, appointment, washi Wednesday, groceries, meal plan. So all of this, and again such beautiful decors. So just imagine this, my whole 1 week will be with this. I will definitely showcase it in my channel when I'm doing that. Over the moon, again some full boxes. Again, these are those washi ribbons like that, and decor, full box. So it's again very useful. So every month in my subscription box I'll get a set of these stickers as well. Right. Next month's sticker has already a sticker book, so I'm excited about that as well. And then finally are the washies. So normally it's $30 with 5 washies. So these are the 5 that you get. Sometimes you get 5, sometimes you get 6, depending on Irene, what she wants, how many she wants to give at that time. So for me at this time, you can see here I have around 5 washies here. Yeah, so it's a set. So then I wait 6 washies, all of these, and then I added on this for the $6 additional, you have these additional thin washies, which is the 5 mm, which I really like. So these are the washies that comes, and let me show you in a while how these washies look and how their colors are. So here they are without the wrapper. I've already removed them and swatched them for you guys. I'll just show you. So these are first the 4 washies that they come. These 2 are the perforated one, so they are easy to remove, and this will fit the Erin Condren vertical on the top, yeah, the boxes. So these are the task 1, home, work, next week. Again, all of these are perforated. So how much you would need, there is a perforation mark, you can just remove. Very brilliant, like a very brilliant and good. I wish all washes were that easy. So again, this one also is a perforated, you can see there is a mark, you can remove it easily. So this is the silver moon, and this is a blue, powdery blue, purplish, I think it's blue only. And again, these 2 are the white. Again, this is the bow with the white instead of the musical note, you can see. This is the bow for the 15 mm, and this is for the 10 mm. It looks like the wind has blown it or something like that. So this is how the difference between a 15 mm and 10 mm. All our washies will be like this, and then followed by the pink musical note, baby pink. I love this pink. This is how it is, and this is a beautiful washi. I have swatched it as well for you. It has this, you can see these glitter things that is coming. It's a glitter washi. It's a little thicker material than the other washies. Again, the sub boxes also have these washies are exclusive for the sub boxes, and once, like, you know, if they have some remaining, then they leave it in the shop. Otherwise, mostly these are exclusive washies, and you can see the shimmer part, you know, it's so beautiful. And again, the quality is amazing, and these are the 4 small ones, 5 mm. This is a wine. Again, to me it feels like a purple, but it's definitely a blue. It's my light. This is the pink, and this is a vertical washi, and this is an ombre again of the blue, powder blue, and it's definitely a blue, powder blue, and with the stardust. And again, a silver, plain silver with the stars. So these are some other washies. So again, this will be added in my big washi collection. I still have some coming, so I think I'll be set after that. I'll just wait for the sub boxes. So this is how it looks, the white one, the glitter one open with these blossoms, the pink musical note, the laundry to clean, and so, and then these are the other, and this is the long one. So that's it. Thank you again for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like such hauls, I have many hauls from Erin Condren, many planner hauls, many makeup and skincare haul. If you like such videos, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed the video, do like it, and please subscribe to my channel, because if you subscribe, only then would I, I know that you guys are enjoying this content. Also, I have a $5 off on your first order. The link is already in my description, so you can use that. It's a referral, so you would get $5 off your first order from the Simply Gilded. Thank you again for watching. This is a part of the giveaway as well. By end of September, I would tell who's the winner. So this is the 5th video for the giveaway, and by end of September, I will let you know whoever won the $20 for the washi tape shop. All right, take care. Thank you for watching.